All right. Dream, I dreamed it was harder to live. Yeah, from my ambition. Is it a dream? I dreamed it was harder to live in. From my ambition. It's harder to live in. All right. 'Good setups tonight. We will start in about 4 minutes. Two minutes. And this is being recorded as well, so if you want to go back and watch it, you can. All right. So the pairs that I'm going to be marking up tonight are USD/JPY, EUR/USD, USD/CAD, and XAU/USD or gold. So I'll start with USD/JPY. If you've been watching the webinars, getting on with myself or Mike, then you'll know kind of how we go about things, or at least what I do first. First thing I do as always is I look for a recent floor or a recent ceiling and a recent ceiling. Okay. And I'm going to find a floor where I see price is at. I like that. So what am I watching for? You guys have been getting a little bit better with it. Here, hold on, let me. Okay. So when I'm marking up a pair, I look for a couple of zones that it could either break out of or respect. So I see it came down, filled the break. It looks like it might come down again. And I'm either looking for a shoot up and a retest to that new found floor. And I'm looking for it to continue up until the next ceiling with level resistance, which is about right here. Sorry, 1 second. All right. Okay. All right, so then I'm either looking for a strong push up and a retest, or I'm looking for a break below, which, judging by how nice of a floor this has been in the past, I'm not quite sure if it's going to break it. I'm definitely looking along the lines of a retest down to the floor, and I'm definitely looking for it to shoot up, retest, and continue on its way up. That's what I would be looking for this pair. And let's see if there's a valid trend line going down. I'm not going to force it if it's not there. And then I will turn my zone out to the future. So this is what I'm looking for USD JPY. I'll come back to this as well because it is London. So the markets will start moving a little bit in the next hour or so. Next is Euro USD. Right now, I see price rejecting at a nice little ceiling. That's been at for a while. I see a test, reject, test, test. I'm looking for a drop, ideally, down to the next floor. Okay. Looking for a test down to the next floor. And if it decides to come down and it decides to break, obviously, what are we always looking for? We're looking for that retest. No retest, no entry. I can't stress that enough. That's where patience and discipline comes in. Discipline. I'm actually going to type that. Equals no entry. Make it big so everybody sees it. No retest, no entry. Okay. So let's say price decides to come down. It decides to respect this floor again. I'm looking for a strong momentum push up. I'm looking for my retest. And then I'm looking for a strong push up. So we have a couple of scenarios. We have price being rejected at this ceiling. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A drop, a strong push, a retest, and then a continued drop down. Or I'm looking for a push down, strong push back up, breaking through, and then continue on upwards until the next floor or ceiling. Which I'd be looking for about right there. And also, I don't recall us talking about any high news events. FOMC was today, which is a high volatility news event. Volatility is just how fast the market moves. And FOMC is news that comes out, I believe it's once or twice a month. Just like NFP, it's very high volatility news. And basically what that means that, like I said, the market moves very quickly. And that's kind of where a little chaos has happened with the markets today, such as right here with this strong push down on USD/JPY from FOMC News. And then NFP is on Friday at 8:30 in the morning. So if you place any trades tomorrow night on London session, I recommend either taking them out before 8 a.m. Just because of how the news moves. I wouldn't want anybody to lose money off of that, especially since everyone is beginners. I do trade NFP and FOMC because I've been trading a little over a year now, so I'm pretty comfortable with my technicals. I've been around for this will be my 14th NFP. So I've definitely had a chance to look at a lot of them, and I definitely, if you have been trading less than 4 months, I would not recommend trading it. But that's just me personally. Anyway, these are the scenarios that we have coming up for UJ. I mean, not UJ, EURUSD, excuse me. And next will be market USD CAD. USD CAD looking pretty nice. I see price is being rejected at this ceiling right here. Okay. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. I saw a break of the floor. Now this has been a longer retest, but it is a retest nonetheless. So I see a break of the floor. Now it's testing it as a newfound ceiling. So ideally what I'm looking for USD CAD tonight is I'm looking for USD CAD to drop personally. However, if it does decide to come up, no, I like this one better. However, if it decides to come up, we're going to be ready for it, because let's say it breaks. For a retest, and then it may continue up. Okay. Or if price does come down here, where they're looking for a break and a retest, and then another drop again down to the next floor / ceiling, or we're looking for price to come down, looking for price to reverse, and then come back up. Okay. So we're either looking for price to break this ceiling, come up, test it as a newfound floor, or come down, break, retest, drop down to the next floor or ceiling, or we're looking for price to come down, respect the floor or respect the ceiling like it has in the past, and continue up. Like here, it worked beautifully. It came up, retested, newfound floor, and it's continued up. So like I said, either we're going to be looking for a break and we're going to be looking for a break above, a retest, or a shoot up, or a break below, retest, go down, or a reversal and go back up. Okay. Now on gold.
Doesn't make cut. She's just not good enough as a person.
Okay, so on gold, once again, we're looking for a ceiling or a floor. I like this. Okay. What are we seeing happen right now? We're seeing, we saw price rejected. We saw price rejected at the ceiling, right? Rejected. It's coming down. It broke a floor. So I'm looking for a retest. And I'm looking for it to drop down to this next floor or ceiling. So I'm looking for price to come down here. If it breaks, I'm looking for a retest. And I'm looking for it to keep dropping. And this is a very strong floor. So I would note that this is a nice little level of big level support right here for gold. It tried breaking it today with that high impact news, and it just could not. Okay. Or gold comes down, breaks above. We're looking for that retest. And then we're looking for it to come back up to this level right here. And it looks like this is a pretty strong level of support, or not support, resistance, I apologize. A pretty strong level of resistance. It's came out tested multiple times and look for price to come down. Okay. So to recap, USD JPY, I'm looking for it to come down, test again, break through, retest, continue on its way up, or break below, retest as newfound resistance, continue down. Euro USD, looking for it to come up, retest the ceiling, come down, either break below and retest and drop, or come down, break above, retest, and go up to this next ceiling. USD CAD, it's looking nice. It's done a little retest here. Let me zoom in on that real quick. So it looks like it's trying to break that ceiling right now. So USD CAD might be a good pair to watch tonight because it looks like it's going to make some type of moves tonight. whether it breaks above and retests and shoots up, or comes down and keeps dropping. So I'm definitely going to be watching. I'm definitely going to be watching USD CAD tonight for sure. And then gold, last but not least, looking for gold to come down, retest, and continue dropping. This next pretty crucial level of support. All right, or break above, retest, go up, and then come back down. I will send these in the group for you guys. I hope you guys had a good London session, and then we will go over these on tomorrow night's London session, or Friday morning, I guess, excuse me, and we will see what exactly happened with all of these trade setups. So I hope you guys are slowly learning. I hope everything is starting to make sense. And with that said, I will see you guys on the next London session. All right. Have a great night, guys.